Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. The garden is open. Did hug it?
It was open and closed. Go.
All right.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you. No, take it. It's yours. It's yours.
Did you say thank you?
You're welcome. Have fun. Thank you. Bye.
All right.
Okay. Go.
What's the, do they have a like brochure or something for this house?
Yeah, there's a brochure
Okay.
right here.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Prices are not really listed, just letting you know because every home site is distinctive.
Slightly different. Okay.
And we'll want to take a quick tour around the community if you have interest. Let me
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. I always kind of confused where I've been. Okay, little storage place. What's going on? Oh yeah, nice long rectangular shaped window. Yes, it's tiny. I mean, it's decent size of the room. Oh, are we supposed to wear the booty? Take the shoes off. Okay, so second room with a sliding door. How do you like it, Ada? Very good? Oh, this is such a nice size balcony. 다들 아오이지. Oh, such a nice size. Whoa.
This can be your bedroom.
What, guess the bedroom? This is it. This is crazy. I mean, for Santababa라, this is crazy. I mean, I think this should be normal, but for Santababa라, this is like crazy. But this house really don't have any tub, huh? That way. The other one has a tub? But this is a walk-in closet, no? I just found that they have a booty there, so I didn't want to. So I took the shoes off. Oh. Yeah. Having a washer and dryer on the second floor. I mean, at first when we, you know, when you move in, that will be hard work. But once it's done. Okay, so this is the. It says tub shower combo. You got too excited out there, huh? But this is the largest one that they have? This is just nice. So it is a 3-bathroom that way, or is that a half bathroom here? Oh, it is half bathroom, so 2.5. see. Yeah, this is only down part of our house. Don't have any backyard. This is good. Yeah, we can have Riker just run around here. Yeah, so actually you can have this table inside there.
Probably they're not gonna have this good landscape.
And like I don't want this total open anyway. You know, I want it to be under the shed. Yeah.
This shade, this unit itself is a shade.
Wow.
No.
This is not the largest one? Oh. Oh